Today I want to share some of the best trading books for beginners. If you are serious about improving your trading, check them out. Also, I hate to be that guy, but if you can, please consider supporting the site by using the links in the description below. Want to learn trading without donating your account to the market? Build a library. Start with the Little Book of Common Sense Investing. Bogle teaches why low-cost index funds are your seatbelt. Then, A Random Walk Down Wall Street gives you X-ray vision for bubbles and hype. For stories, Market Wizards is the campfire. Interviews full of rules. Need mindset? Trading in the Zone explains probabilities so you stop treating every trade like a prophecy. For charts, Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques turns price bars into emojis with jobs. For a classic cautionary tale, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator reads like a heist where the market is the vault and the alarm always wins. Grab one from each. Safety, psychology, technique.